Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you exactly how you can flip images and photos in your projects and designs on Figma. So let us get started. Alright, so head over to Figma and access your website interface or app interface project. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes and zoom in a bit. So let me go, for example, with that image here. For demonstration purposes, let's click into the given object, in this case here this image. And that is going to open up that panel here on the right hand side. So here under position, guys, you will see this feature here, position as well as rotation, and next to rotation you will see these three buttons here: rotate 90 degrees, flip horizontally, and flip vertically. So select your flipping, like horizontal. You may also use the shortcut Shift H for that, or vertically Shift V. So let me flip it horizontally, just like that. There you go. As you can see, you will see the effect here to the left. So that's basically it. You can flip it as often as you like, and that's how you flip images and photos in Figma. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.